Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your founder points in the store. So in case you've got founders point from a season transition, let's tap the store, go to the founders option here. As you can see this one, there are some skill move. For example, this one, feign and exit. You can get this skill move by using this founder point that can be earned from season transition and used to acquire pack in this founder store. So in case you want some skill move, you can buy or you can exchange with a this one, founder's point. And after you buying a skill move, you can go to my team, tap my team and tap this formation, go to team editing, and this one, skill moves. You can exchange the skill moves that you buy or you exchange before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the game.